wish I had more light, but this is Estonia in November and I have literally turned on every single light in the room and it is still dark. So we're just not gonna be bothered and we're gonna do an unboxing video, and today we have a very special unboxing video for me, especially because it's my first Lolita unboxing video. And I am going to unbox this package I got from Wunderwelt. This is my first time ordering from them. I had a discount code I got from Eternal Twilight, and so I thought it would be a good time to order from them. And this is gonna be a Metamorphose dress. And yeah, this is also my first Meta dress. So a lot of firsts for me. And now you're gonna be able to have a speed up of me trying to open this box. You would think that I'm really good at unboxing because I've been collecting dolls ever since I was little. Actually, I'm kind of crap at it. Alright, now we have a lot of bubble wrap. We have a lot of bubble wrap, but I can see the dress from within the bubble wrap. Oh my gosh. Oh, it is so beautiful. The color is so pretty. I don't know if you can actually see it very well. I should do a close-up of it inside the image. But it is gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love the color. And there's a head bow and the dress. And this is my first brand head bow, because usually I just wear accessories that aren't actually from big Lolita brands because their headpieces are quite expensive. I don't know if you can even hear me because I feel like this packaging is so noisy. Let's see what else is in here. I think there's an invoice. There's an invoice from Wunderwelt. There's my real name. And Japanese! Yay! Which I don't understand. And my address. And yes. Alright. Now let us open this baby up. Oh, it's really nice. The material is quite nice. So this, actually I should have maybe started with this. This is the Sigrid Eden set, I believe. Like, actually it's just a dress and a head bow. There are 3 different versions of this JSK, and this really confused me. This is should be the only one with shirring. We're gonna check if it has shirring. It does! It has full shirring. This is the only one with shirring, and it has an ivory version and I think a black version, and then the other JSKs have green and I think maybe navy as well. So there are 3 versions, and this is the only one with full shirring, which is great because that means it's gonna fit me. Like, sometimes dresses without shirring also fit me, but this is nice and safe. And there's this tag. Let's take the tag off. And I'm gonna just show the close-up. It's gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna give you a close-up of the print as well. It has roses and yeah, it's like mainly roses, which is why I love it. And this musical instruments, a harp, I think. And I think there should be horses. Yeah, there's a horse. And there's a cross. And I hope you can see something. So I did do a couple of camera tests, but you never know. And there are roses on the buttons as well. They're like golden and actually slightly transparent, which I didn't expect. And then there's the... Oh, and there's a long and short version of this JSK. I'm guessing this is the long version. I'm not really sure. I'm so short that everything feels long to me. Oh, and are these little bows under here which are detachable. I love it, it's so beautiful. And this bow is detachable too. They're all detachable, which is great because you get to play around with it. Are those bows? These bows are detachable as well. Wow, great job, Meta. You can detach everything and just have a really like a plainer dress, or if you don't like any of the bows, I really like all of the bows. Let's have all of the bows. This is gorgeous, isn't it? Let's take this off. Let's put the headpiece on. It has a Metamorphose logo. Is it good? I can't see. You tell me. So I think I'm gonna try and put this on, and I'm gonna make some close-ups so you can see what's going on. And I absolutely love it. And I don't know if this is gonna work with this blouse, but I'm gonna try find a blouse that works, and then I'm gonna show you. So I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back and I'm wearing the JSK now, and I haven't quite decided if it works with this blouse, so you can leave a comment below. I think the color works very well, but I'm not sure about the color. But it's growing on me. So this is a Chinese off-brand, some kind of mini brand blouse. And I'm also wearing white bodyline shoes, ivory bodyline shoes, and some white tights with roses, which I think work very well with the rose theme that this dress has going on. And yeah, it fits quite nicely. And it is definitely the long version because when I stand up, it is very heavily under my knees. Like it goes below my knees. And yeah, I'm of course myself very short. So, but I still think this is the long version because it's quite long. And when I sit down, it comes all the way to my ankles. So it's quite long, but I love it. I think it's so glamorous. I think the print is gorgeous, stunning, and I hope I can show you some proper nice outfit shots so that you can see it better, but you can see some of the print like this as well, hopefully. But you can't see the whole coordinates, so I'll try and put some head to toe pictures up as well. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, make sure to leave a comment, tell me if you want to make me make some more of those, if you would like to see some more Lolita unboxing videos, because I have considered doing them earlier as well, but I wasn't sure if anyone would be interested. So let me know if you'd like to see some more. I would love to make some. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!